YouTube TV versus Xfinity TV. Which TV service is better? Let's find out. So, first, let's go to their pricing and contracts. So, YouTube TV has a simple flat rate of recently $82.99 a month with no long-term contracts or hidden fees. So, on the other hand, Xfinity often bundles the fees, equipment rentals, and contracts. The total monthly cost is more variable, so it may vary. And then, let's go to the channel lineup and DVR. Xfinity tends to offer more local and specialty channels depending on your region, but YouTube TV includes over 100 channels and it offers unlimited DVR storage, which Xfinity limits unless you pay for upgrades. Now let's go to their streaming quality and device support matter too. So, YouTube TV streams most content in full HD or 1080p, and it also supports 4K for selected events. Users often report that YouTube delivers true 1080p, whereas Xfinity Cable's feed is often capped at 720p, which is a huge difference if your TV is big. So, the YouTube TV app is more responsive and flexible while Xfinity Gear can lag in UI and it requires specific boxes to run. However, data usage is also a big factor. Some Xfinity customers notes that using YouTube TV can consume a lot more bandwidth, especially with long viewing sessions, because it consumes 1080p compared to the 720p. And after that, if your ISP or home connection has data caps, that can sting for you. Also, disputes and channel drops are real. YouTube TV has had conflicts with Paramount, and some users worry about losing the access to major networks, which also adds risks, especially if you depend on local channels. However, Xfinity doesn't have that dispute and channel drops. So, let's go to the final verdict. If you want simplicity with solid streaming, great UI, and unlimited DVR, YouTube TV is the better choice. But if you want local bundles and legacy cable infrastructure or specific channels at lower cost in your area, Xfinity might still have the edge than YouTube TV. But it's getting harder to justify, so you should also do your own research after watching this video. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.